Hey y'all, it's a Country Notary. Hope you're having a great day. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, this is an update to my mobile notary home renovation project series. And this should be video number 7. You think I would know that because I'm the one shooting the videos, but anyway, I'm going to give you guys a quick update. Earlier video, a few videos ago, I mentioned that we're trying to get this project finished before Mother's Day, and we almost made it. Today is the Tuesday after Mother's Day, and I actually hosted Mother's Day in my house. I hosted my family for Mother's Day in my house. So the project is not 100% finished. I would say we're probably at about the 90% mark. I'm still waiting on my kitchen to be completed. So we basically had Mother's Day without a kitchen, which was okay because one of the days of this weekend on Saturday, we went out to the country for a family reunion. All the food was cooked, so we didn't actually have to use the kitchen. And the second day, we had a second event at my brother's house, and we cooked over there. Now, I did prepare a dish for the family reunion, but I prepared it in an electric roaster on my kitchen table, which we did move the kitchen table, the dinette table, and all of the furniture back into the house on the Friday before Mother's Day. However, the kitchen itself is not completed. As you can see, this may have been similar to the previous video. The cabinets are mostly in place. We're still waiting on the island to be completed and installed, as well as a few touches, paint touches, as well as doors, obviously. Since the last video, the hardware for the drawers have been installed. And obviously, again, the kitchen is not fully completed. So that is the portion of the house that accounts for the 10% of the project that's not complete. But as far as the rest of the project is concerned, as you can see, me and my contractors, when I say we, made a tremendous amount of progress since the beginning. Still have some construction paper on the floor to protect the floors for the final parts of the kitchen. If you watched the first video in this series, as you can see, this living space is night and day compared to where we started. I have fully renovated the living room, moved my furniture back in, and my family was able to actually come and sit, relax, and enjoy each other's company for the Mother's Day weekend. So, very happy, very pleased with the progress. Hope my parents are in heaven staring down on the renovation, and I hope they're proud. I hope they're happy and blessed this project as I preserve and upkeep our family home. As most of you guys know, one of your biggest investments is your home, your homestead. And making this investment and taking this time to improve and preserve my family's home is one of my proudest moments, one of my biggest accomplishments as well so far. Somewhat of a transition to my journey as a real estate investor. There's been a lot of work and preparation over the past, I would say, 3 to 4 years to position myself to be able to actually complete this project. And basically, over the next few weeks, I will be able to use the knowledge and experience that I gained from this project to improve and rehab and build equity and value in a rental property, flip, or investment property, depending on the direction that I take when I acquire that first property. So yes, basically everything that I've done over the last year has led me to this point, as well as this particular project will greatly enhance my ability to successfully improve and rehab an investment property. The experience that I've gained from this project, my home personal project is golden, as well as the experience that I've gained interacting and communicating with the contractors that I've used, the 3 primary contractors that I've used. So if you're on that path as well, if you're a notary public, mobile notary, loan signing agent watching this video, or maybe someone who's interested in a home renovation, a home improvement project of your own, or potentially transitioning your business to real estate investing, drop a note in the comments section. Hit me up. My email address is in the description of this video. I'd be happy to share with you any info and knowledge that I've acquired along the way to help cut down the timeline that it may take for you to do so, along with some other business strategies that I have in place to acquire my first real estate investment, my first investment property. I have so much to share, so much to talk about, and I'll obviously be dropping additional videos on those topics over the next several months and hopefully years as well. Thank you for watching. Please share with others, hit the notification bell, and be ready for more videos as the Country Notary does her thing. Thanks for viewing. Talk to y'all soon.